Hey guys, how's it going? I'm making a video on Fisker Automotive. So the CEO came on CNBC, talked a little bit about the new Ohio plant that Foxconn bought off of Lordstown Motors, and now that they have a production ready facility, all they have to do is retool the factory, and Fisker could potentially launch this new secret car project that they were planned for 2024 sooner. Maybe 2023, maybe near the end of 2022. Who really knows? Prototypes are easy, manufacturing's hard, so my guess is maybe push it back a year, maybe 2023. At first I thought it was only in China, maybe now it's in the United States. Imagine a $20,000 EV vehicle in the United States, because apparently that vehicle is supposed to be more affordable than the SUV they planned for. So very interesting. I want to see what it's going to be like. But I'm very interested in the new vehicle project. So I'm gonna play the video and then I'll talk more about it.
CEO of Fisker, electric vehicle startup company. And you might be saying to yourself, wait a second, we were talking about Foxconn, now we're talking about Fisker. Henrik, we're going to connect the dots here for the people at home. The importance of why we have you on today is to talk about the fact that you're going to be having your first vehicle built at this Foxconn plant in Lordstown, Ohio. Tell me how you understand this conversation came together in terms of Foxconn deciding this was the place that they wanted to build vehicles here in the United States.
Absolutely. Hi, Bo. Yeah, the plan came together because we had looked at different plants together with Foxconn in the U.S., and it's actually for our program Pair, which is our second vehicle we're going to build here in the U.S., and we are planning up to 250,000 of these vehicles being built a year. So we were really looking for a big plant, and obviously this plant can do about 500,000 vehicles a year. So it would fit extremely well. And one of the advantages for us versus maybe doing a greenfield plant with Foxconn is that we can maybe bring the Pair a little bit quicker to market. And of course, there's a great supply chain in Ohio. And also, I think the Ohio state is used to dealing with auto manufacturers. And so I think it's a really good plan for us, and we diligenced it together with Foxconn.
When do you expect Project Pair to bear fruit, so to speak, and your first vehicle here built in the United States to actually roll off the assembly line in Lordstown?
So originally we had said Q1 2024, but I think I just talked to the chairman of Foxconn yesterday, and we think we might be able to do it a little quicker because this plant is in sort of a ready state.
Yeah, it's ready to go, plug and play. Meanwhile, you have your Ocean, the SUV that you're building.
Interesting. I would love to see that new car that they announced. What it looks like, but it's such a secret project that they won't announce it or show it off until it's ready for production, so nobody can copy them. That's the CEO hyping up his car. Fisker right now is up. Today was up 19 cents, 1.0%, valued at $4.4 billion. I mean, the investors in Fisker believes in Fisker more than they do in Lordstown. It is what it is. That's the reality of it. But maybe their new vehicle is so awesome that that's the reason why the investors believe in Fisker. Who knows? But Lordstown seems like a really cheap evaluation to me. That's the reason why I'm bullish on it. But I don't control the market. I'm only a participant in the market. So if big money wants to take it down to $5, I'll be more than happy to to pick up more shares at $5. So we'll see what happens. I don't control the market. I don't move it. I just participate. So I feel like it's probably just gonna trade sideways at $6.50 for a while. I mean, it could drop down to $5. Who knows at the end of the day? We'll see what happens. But, yeah, that's just my 2 cents on the whole thing. Today, the SPY did a little nice reversal. It looked really bearish there for a while, and it bounced back. Maybe this is only a dead cat bounce, and it'll continue to downtrend. Who really knows at the end of the day? I don't control the market. I just participate, and if big money wants to crash the market, then it is. I mean, these mini crashes and pull-ups are, a lot different than this one. This one, big crash, pull up, big crash. It's like a double dip right here, and there's a death cross. A little dangerous in my opinion. We'll see if which direction the SPY will move. But anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Wow, I got a little bit more time. Let's look at Lordstown to see what we are announcing an agreement in principle of the Han High Technology Group, along with on production and finance here at Lordstown Motors. Okay. And let's look at Fisker. Exciting. Talk about the chairman of Foxconn. We agree that Foxconn announced today about his new EV manufacturing plant in Ohio could mean an early launch of the pair. I'm very interested in what the pair looks like. There's a little hype picture of what the pair will look like, but no pictures yet. I'm still, very. I don't have a position in Fisker, but I'm still excited to see what Fisker launches with their new EV car. If their car looks nice and they manage to ramp it, maybe Fisker will jump back to $20 or maybe $40. Who knows? At the end of the day, we'll see what happens. Like I said, I still feel like rich people move the markets, not retail, especially with Fisker. Because Fisker, in order for it to move even $1, it requires $296 million. So, Ride has way less outstanding shares, sitting at 177. Or it could be 180 now with 180 something with the new deal with Foxconn because of the share buy with Foxconn. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub if you want to. If you don't want to, that's okay. Have a great day. Bye.